Hello, everybody, and welcome to this Team Builder overview video. I'm joined today by MJ Shaney, Daniel Kim, and Dave Upton. My name is Phil Jersa, and today we'd like to show you a quick overview of a Teams app that we recently built to manage hackathon project teams. To give us a little more details around the Team Builder app and its purpose, here's Daniel.
Yeah, before we go into the team builder, we wanted to explain to you what Hackathon is. Microsoft really thrives to be a company where culture is important in everything we do. One of the cultures we heavily invest on is building a culture of tech intensity and innovation. We as team sort of coined it as a hack culture, where people aren't afraid to fail while trying new things, which helps fuel innovation. And we found hackathons to be one of the best catalysts to help establish that culture. And within this Hackathon Starter Kit, we have created a website and GitHub to explain to you about what and how to run a hackathon with different resources that you could download, and also DevOps boards that we also created, so you could use that as a project management. And most of our hackathons were virtual. Creating a collaborative tool for participants was critical for our hackathons. And as part of the Hackathon Starter Toolkit, we have developed a solution called Team Builder. Team Builder is a Microsoft Teams tab application used by hackathon participants to create, find, and join a project team. Team Builder was built using Visual Studio Code, Teams Toolkit extension, and it's in our open source GitHub repository. This very solution is what we are using for our hackathons and is readily available for anyone else who wants to download and try out for themselves. Now we'll go into a demo where Phil can show us in action how to create and manage hackathon teams with this sample Microsoft Teams tab application. Take it away, Phil.
Great, thanks, Daniel. All right, I'll switch over to my browser where I have a demo instance of Microsoft Teams loaded up. And you can see I'm in a team channel right now, the general channel of our Team Builder team, which we've been using to test out the app. And I can easily, as an organizer of the event or an administrator of this tenant, add our Team Builder as a new tab application. And let's make sure I click on the correct version here. When you add the application as a tab, you're presented with a configuration screen, and we've added some of our own custom configuration options. Let's say that we'd like to limit our team size for this sample. And once we click Save, this will add the Teams app as a tab to this team. So the Team Builder app has been added, and you can see we are presented immediately with a list of all teams. Right now, to get started, I haven't created any teams, but we organize them into challenge areas or topics. And this is configurable using the backend database for the app itself. For this example, I've just created 3 high-level topics: Power Apps, Modern Workplace, and Azure. Obviously, this might be used for more of a technical hackathon or training type scenario. So let's go ahead and click the Create a Team, and I can pick which challenge area this will fall into. I'll make it Azure. And then we can click the button to create the team. We have a small database running in the back end for the app where these specific projects and membership information regarding, who's the leader of the team, who is a team member, and so forth, all get stored in the database. And we also have an API running in the background that you, as an administrator or an organizer of the event, can gain access to make manual updates or get information back out of that database. Okay, so here to talk about how we enabled the ability to add capabilities and extend the functionality of the Team Builder app is MJ. Take it away, MJ.
Thanks, Phil. I'll be talking about how we leveraged Event Grid and event-driven design to make Team Builder extensible, and then use that extensibility to add optional GitHub integration. Event Grid is an Azure service that allows you to create custom topics to post events to and subscribe to events being emitted from. Event Grid isn't just for custom events, though. It is also the way that many Azure services communicate to each other, and those events are also available to be subscribed to as well. In our application, we create events to be posted for any mutations made through our GraphQL API behind TeamBuilder. This allows us to listen to those events with Azure Functions and perform automated effects against GitHub. For instance, when someone using our TeamBuilder API creates a new team, the Create Team event triggers the creation of a new GitHub repository for that TeamBuilder team. This GitHub integration based on events has the advantage of being completely optional and doesn't add overhead to the regular TeamBuilder code. It also represents just the tip of the iceberg in terms of extensibility that can be done on TeamBuilder. And we invite you to follow this pattern of development and make contributions to TeamBuilder for features that excite you, leveraging the power of events and Event Grid. For more information, you can find a link to a more detailed pair of blog posts on this topic in the description below.